Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. A well-known tech tipster revealed how the new upcoming budget king mobile phone, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, outperforms the Galaxy S26 flagship. According to the latest preliminary news data, the information shows that the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G will be cheaper and in some ways better than the Galaxy S26. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Galaxy A series has become one of Samsung's most attractive phone lineups, thanks to significant improvements in hardware components and build quality of every generation. However, if there's something that's been holding back the lineup year after year, we believe it's the most attractive smartphone specs. A reliable tipster using the pseudonym Anthony, username the Galax, revealed the specifications of the mid-range Samsung Galaxy A57 smartphone on his X social media page, formerly Twitter, and claimed that the new Galaxy A57 5G model will in many ways surpass the significantly more expensive Samsung Galaxy S26 flagship. Firstly, as for the prices, the new Samsung Galaxy A57 will be cheaper, with an expected cost of $499. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S26 will cost $799. Secondly, compared to the display specs, the new Galaxy A57 is larger, with a 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED panel, with FHD Plus resolution. The Galaxy S26 has a 6.3-inch screen panel. Thirdly, the new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G has faster wired charging. Its power is 45 watts, while the Galaxy S26 only has a 25 watts charging speed. Fourth, the new Galaxy A57 is thinner, with a 6.9 mm of body thickness, compared to the 7.2 mm thickness of the Galaxy S26. Fifth thing is, the main modules of the rear cameras of the Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy S26 are the same. A 50-megapixel sensor with a physical size of 1 by 1.56 inches lens. As for the other smartphone specs of the Galaxy A57 5G, the smartphone is tipped to power Samsung's own Exynos 1680 chipset, with early benchmarks pointing to a major uplift in the Xclipse 550 GPU. Some sources even suggest graphics performance could be 2x than the Exynos 1580 and the Galaxy A56. The Galaxy A57 looks set to iterate where it matters. A sturdily premium build, a meaningful GPU jump for games and UI fluidity, mature display and battery specs, and long horizon updates. If Samsung sharpens the camera lineup, ideally with a sensible zoom, the A57 could again define the mid-range value bar. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.